Thank you so much for letting me take a break. My last video, I posted an update of what happened to one of my dogs. Roxy's here with me. I'm not sure if you can see her, but I had a boxer, a 9-year-old boxer, Ike, and he always loved to photobomb or vlog bomb or video bomb my videos, and he was always in my videos when he was present around me. But yeah, Roxy's here. You probably can hear her breathing real heavy. So we needed some time. Not going to cry about it on camera, but it's grieving and it's a slow process. But this video, it's all natural hair related. I dropped a bomb of me having alopecia, and I just kind of wanted to follow it up with something a little bit lighter. I just wanted to show you guys how I do my favorite style. It's like 2 weeks before officially spring is here. I'm so excited. So one of my favorite hairstyles to rock all the time is a wash and go on my very, very, very fragile and thin hair. I wanted to show you this wash and go to celebrate the precipice of spring on its way, and just showing you guys how I do my wash and go with no gel, because now with my hair being like it is, the older I am, and with alopecia, my curl pattern has changed, so it's no longer 3C 4A, it's more 3C, more wavy texture now. So I'm just rolling with the punches. This is not a tutorial at all. I just love coming on the camera with you guys and engaging with you guys and talking to you guys and listening to the comments and responding to the comments. That's what's most important to me, is reaching out to you guys and getting to know you guys more, and just kind of sitting back, being laid back, not formal, and just talk about stuff and just do my hair while I'm talking about stuff. So the next clip will be me just talking about stuff and showing you how I do a wash and go using no gel styling products, and I literally just use only 2 products in my hair. So guys, I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Peace out. Hey guys, this is not a tutorial. I decided that I'm not a natural hair guru, never claimed to be, so I'm just showing you things that work for my thin alopecia prone hair. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll link the video down below about my alopecia and the type I have and how I'm dealing with it. I decided not to take medication or try men's Rogaine or do any scalp steroid injections. I'm not doing any of those things. What's so cool is that when I did my big chop, I think in 2016, I think it was. I'll double check, and also link that video down below if you're interested to see my big chop video. But it was my goal to grow my hair to waist length, and I did. So I'm pretty happy. I'm in my 40s, and I have accepted my new journey of my hair, my curl pattern changing through the older I get, the less curly and more wavy it gets, and just dealing with my alopecia and just working around it and styling around it, and during the summer putting sunscreen on my scalp to protect my scalp from burning. So it's going to be a journey, but right now I'm just kind of showing you how I do my wash and go. One cool thing about I guess a pro having thin hair is that a lot of my favorite styles that some products I used to use, I don't really have to use anymore. So I put a leave-in. I'm trying this leave-in, the TGIN Miracle Repair leave-in. I want to use it all up before I give you my review. I did try another leave-in earlier this year, and it didn't work out for me. And of course, I'll link that down below so you can hear my thoughts on what product I tried in the beginning of the year. But so far, a quickie review. I really like this. So I'm almost done with it. I've been using it for almost a month by now. So anyway, any leave-in conditioner works with your hair type. Throw in your hair. That's why I start off first. And then I'm really liking using fractionated coconut oil. It is more processed. It doesn't have as many goodness because of that, but because it's fractionated, it never becomes solid, and that's the type of coconut oil that's used in a lot of cosmetics, so it makes it more non-comedogenic, so that way it doesn't clog your pores, because some people, they don't react well to coconut oil because of, even with all the goodness in the organic cold press, some of the chemistry change of that coconut oil does affect people in different ways, and a lot of people, especially naturals, don't like putting it in their hair because obviously it gets hard when the temperature lowers, and when it gets hard in your hair. So I'm liking the fractionated coconut oil. I don't use it on my skin, I just use it on my hair for shine and to seal. It does the job, and it doesn't have that fake coconut oil smell. Neither does organic cold pressed oils, but I just like that this doesn't have any artificial fragrances either. So I'll put my leave-in, and then I'll put my oil, and I do just a really simple side part, and I'm gonna take my wet brush, wet it, and just comb it through, let my curls pop, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I got my handy dandy wet brush, and I don't use a Denman brush anymore. The reason is because my hair is just too thin for a Denman. The bristles get straight to my scalp, and it hurts. So, not because my hair doesn't easily detangle, which is another pro of having really thin hair. It's easy to really detangle it, but those hard bristles was like scalp, and it did not feel like a massage. Now the wet brush, they have those like little nodules on the end of each bristle, and it feels good. It does feel like a massage, and it detangles my hair, it does the job. So other side. And I cut bangs in the front, and that's actually really helping me. The shorter hair right here, it curls up more, and it doesn't hang and limp, so it makes it look like I have more volume when my hair air dries. I'm gonna try the diffuser as well on my wash and go. That will be a video coming up. Look out for it sometime in April. But yeah, I'm gonna try the diffuser and on my wash and go and see if that gives me more volume as well. Okay. And I don't have a pick or anything, so I just use my fingertips, the pads of my fingertips, just to kind of zhoosh it. So I'll just come up closer, show you guys my curls. And I don't use any gel or anything. I'm just gonna let it be, and just let it air dry. So I'm gonna wrap my wet brush around like it's a curling iron to kind of help form those curls. And as usual with alopecia, my shedding is not that bad. So that is something I am trying to mitigate and work on and reduce at least my shedding, to keep my hair on my head as long as I possibly can without using any type of medication or steroids. I don't want to go down that path. Alright guys, so I'll be right back. I'm going to show you how I do my baby hairs or my edges real quick. I'll be right back. So for my edges, I use good old Eco Styler gel. I love the argan oil kind, and I have two toothbrushes, one with a bigger bristle head just for a main swoop, and these obviously are just for my hair only, nowhere else, not in my mouth. And then I have like a baby little toothbrush for like to get the little swirly swirls if I want to get that detailed. So I go in the jar. Only about 2 weeks, guys, until spring. I am so ready, so ready. I haven't talked about it since my last video. I just kind of posted it without really having, I don't think, an intro or anything. But I had two beautiful dogs. Obviously, you guys know my guide dog, Roxy, the black lab. She is fine. She's 5 years old. She's still kicking and still working. We love her. But I also had a 9-year-old boxer. I have bad days. I have good days. It's just me, my husband, and my two dogs. We were our family unit, and he got diagnosed very quickly with a blood vessel cancer that developed a tumor around his heart, and he went from being extremely energetic to having absolutely no energy, having a really hard time breathing. Okay, don't cry. I can't help it. I'm very emotional. So I have my good days, I have my bad days. We did get him cremated, and I saved his toys, a lot of the toys, because I'm a doggy mom that likes to spoil my fur kids. So he had a lot of toys. So some we put in storage, and the others we put that I wanted to be close to me is in my office, chilling with me. And the funeral home was awesome. They actually delivered Ike back home to us. And so we have a little nice memorial set up for him, and his blanket I crocheted for him. I saved. So like I said, it's been a week and a day. Wait, today is Sunday. A week and 3 days. A week and 3 days since he's passed over the Rainbow Bridge. And the Rainbow Bridge basically is something they say that dogs cross to get to heaven. So I don't know. I try not to speak too much about it because I know some people don't understand the bond between a human and any pet, cat, dog, horse, alligator, snake, it doesn't matter. Any pet. It's hard to understand some people sometimes, so I just did a little cute, not cute, but I wanted to do a memorial for him, so I did do a memorial video for him, and I'll link that down below if you want to give it some love. So anyway, so guys, that's what I do. It's not divine. It's not, and I'm fine with that because my hair is so freaking thin. I embrace the frizz. I embrace the frizz. I embrace everything now. My new mantra, my husband shared with me, is I think he said it's a Lenny Kravitz quote, a lyric. I am happy, and I'm paraphrasing, so I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. You could definitely look it up in Google, but I'm happy with my life because I accept it like it is. And that's something that I have to be working on. I have to accept my life as it is to find happiness. And then my purpose will unfold. So that is what I'm trying to do. So see, I made it without crying. Guys, I hope you enjoy. And I will put some clips of pictures of the final results with it being like 85% dry and air dry. And I'll see you guys next time. Like I always say, love the skin you're in, embrace your uniqueness, and be the good. Bye, guys.